Sky bowling. The playing area is divided into two halves using gymnastic benches. An equal number of hoops are randomly placed on each half of the area. A bowling pin is placed within each of the hoop. You can add some extra pins without the hoops. At the beginning of the game, both teams have an equal number of balls. The aim of the students is to knock down pins on the opposing playing space by throwing balls. The winner is the team that gets all the pins of the opposing team knocked down faster or has knocked down more pins before the prearranged time limit.